In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add friends on chess.com quickly and easily. Whether you want to play games with your friends, track their progress, or just stay connected, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several icons there, but what you're looking for is the social icon. It looks like two small people side by side. Go ahead and hover your mouse over that social icon. When you do that, a small menu will expand, showing you different social options available on chess.com. From that menu, click on Members. This will take you to the member search page where you can find other players on the platform. Now that you're on the members page, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can look up your friend. Go ahead and type in your friend's username or their email address if you have it. As you type, chess.com will start showing matching profiles. Once you find the correct person in the list, look to the right of their name. You'll see a small icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. This is the Add Friend button. Simply click on that icon and your friend request will be sent instantly. That's it. Your friend will now receive your request, and once they accept it, you'll be connected on chess.com. From there, you can challenge them to games, view their activity, and interact more easily on the platform. One quick tip: make sure you're adding the correct user by double-checking their username or profile picture, especially if the name is common. This helps avoid sending requests to the wrong person, and that's all there is to it. As you can see, adding friends on chess.com is super simple and only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.